Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we'll be talking about the best 3D printer for creating prosthetics. These 3D printers can be used in any condition and produce high-quality prosthetic parts for someone who needs them. Each printer's output will be able to create prosthetics with accurate measurements that fit correctly, and the time it takes to print is minimal compared to traditional methods. We all know that the quality of prosthetics is essential, and that's why these 3D printers are a must-have for anyone who needs them. To help you out, we've compiled a list of the best 3D printers designed specifically for creating prosthetics. These 3D printers are especially for users who want to produce prosthetics quickly and accurately. Each 3D printer offers a range of features and capabilities to help create an accurate prosthetic that fits properly. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is FLASHFORGE 4 Pro 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 4 Pro 3D Printer is a game changer when creating prosthetics. This incredible machine boasts an array of features that make it the #1 choice for professionals seeking top-notch quality within an affordable price range. Let's talk about the magical smart 30-point automatic leveling. Say goodbye to tedious manual adjustments. With its extruder sensor, this printer detects and compensates for any unevenness in the platform, ensuring flawless first-layer line extrusion. But wait, there's more! The Adventurer 4 Pro is about speed, offering printing rates up to 5 times faster than conventional printers. Its upgraded XY axis structure and high-speed copper nozzle take your productivity to new heights, reducing work time by 40% to 60%. Efficiency is critical, and that's why this printer comes equipped with an upgraded cooling system. 3 fans and dual ducts cool your models in a flash, delivering a superior surface finish. The added cooling fan on the extruder makes printing even faster, giving you stunning results in no time. So if you like this 3D printer, then check out the link in the description box to purchase it right now.